Folks, we have the one and only and amazing and rock star agent, broker, investor, Omar from Southern California, the high desert area. Yes, folks, I know my microphone's not working. I have a Yeti mic. It's not working. I'm sorry. I can't fix it today, so we're going to use the computer mic. We'll hopefully have it fixed by tomorrow. Omar, how you doing, buddy?
Good. What's up, Michael? What's up, everybody?
You can hear me, right? It's not.
No, it's fine.
Okay, cool. We'll go with this mic.
Yeah, it's not super crispy though. It's a little echoey, but it is what it is.
It is what it is for now. So we got to do the market update. This is something we've been doing every week. They can go back in your playlist called Omar. I really have sophisticated names for my playlists. But what's going on in the high desert? Because last time we talked, inventory was down. Luxury was kind of aging out, but first-time homebuyer homes were hot, hot, hot. What's going on?
So check this out. This is through the first week and a half of March. We're under 950 houses. Under 950. So 942. Okay. We were literally, this is the progression. In 4 weeks, 1,100 homes, 1,070 homes, 1,012 homes, 980 homes, boom, 942 homes. So do you see a trend there?
Yeah, you know, what was the top number? I want to do some math because that's crazy.
1104.
1104.
And that was through the 5th of February.
So, and then what's the other number?
Through the 5th.
So
the last number now,
yeah,
942. And that's still probably a week and a half late, meaning that we still have another, I mean, we're the 14th right now. So this is like 10 days ago.
Yeah. So you're down in a week, your inventory's down 15%.
Yes.
And again, people need to realize this is active inventory. So just so people realize,
this is active for sure.
Active inventory could go down, really, generally speaking, for one of two reasons. One, something is sold or gone pending. Right. But there's also, and this is what I keep warning people is coming, you have expireds and canceled and withdrawn listings. You have these sellers with WIS pricing, these sellers with 3% mortgage. Nobody's coming to the open house. Nobody's giving them good offers. They are staying freaking put.
100%. Why would they leave? Why
Exactly.
would they leave at 3 or 4%? It just doesn't make sense whatsoever. And now, check this out. This is a crazy part. Days on market. Just to give you guys an idea. When we had 1,000 houses or 1,100 houses, 62 days was the average.
Okay.
Then 61, then 56, then it shot up to 71. Yeah. And guess where it's at right now with 942 houses for sale?
77.
41 days.
Oh, 41.
No.
It went the other way.
It went the other way.
So your days on market got cut in half almost.
Yes. This is the crazy part though, because I'm seeing this. I'm also seeing like, okay, that means as these prices, you know, they stay where they're at, but the amount of houses for sale start depleting or start, you know, going down, competition's still there with buyers. And then, which we're going to save into our second video about what's going on and what do you think? What's our forecast about what just happened? There's going to be a lot of change here. This is where we're going to be talking about a couple other things some strategies that will go into this next episode. But yeah, 942 houses, it's insane.
This is amazing. And man, so down 15% in a month. And oh, by the way, interest rates just went down half a point. And what we learned, again, everybody's market is different. But if rates ever got close to 6% or have a 5 handle, watch out. Demand is through the roof.
Yeah, and there won't be enough houses. We're going to see.
Nobody's moving.
So what's going to happen is, guess what? My opinion, this does happen. There's going to be sellers that get way more money for their properties, and then they might actually move because the offer is that much better. Because
it's going to be
drives prices.
It'll be a really interesting time because right now the missing part of the market is move up. The move up is so vital that no one's talking about because they list one and buy one. Right now in most markets, luxury is, if you want a deal, go buy a luxury home. Whatever luxury.
You should do it right away.
Yeah, write a disrespectful offer like Patrick Bet-David. Go ahead. But the move up market is interesting because if you get a little price drop in the move up and then you get demand on the entry level, maybe there's an equilibrium where, hey, I get an extra 50 grand on my house and I get a 50K discount on my purchase that makes up the difference in higher rates. Because right now you're sitting with a 3%, but if you get goosed up 50 and then you buy down 50, maybe that 100K is enough where they go, okay, I'll take a 6% mortgage rate. Maybe.
No, and I think that would happen, but the only problem is there's not enough houses that are on the move up side. And if everybody does this, not even everybody, just a small percentage of people that want to do this.
Small delta.
Yes. And guess what that means? That means all these extra luxury homes are gone because they've already got purchased. They already got, the disrespectful offer that other seller probably took. You just never know because I'm thinking I'm going to hold all my houses and I'm going to see this thing through. And next thing you know, I'm going to be sitting on $30 or $40 or $50,000 more per house. At least if I do this correctly. I don't know yet. We'll see.
Well, again, everybody's situation is different. Never give financial advice, but I will say if rates trend down and go sub 6, we already have evidence of what happens. Which is the evidence is clear.
Yes, and if it hit 4 because of whatever is happening in the market right now, we're freaking over. It's over. There's no the supply is diminished.
Yeah,
I know it's an interesting time.
But again, what people don't realize, the 942 that you had today, I mean, I remember people could go back in your playlist. I think it was
1700.
Yeah, November, right? We were going, oh my God, could we see 2000?
Yep.
And now fast forward 3 months because of cancellations, expireds, withdrawals. You're down to 940. You're down 50% almost.
Isn't that crazy?
That's wild.
And the demand did not. The demand is even higher.
Demand is basically it's constant to up. We're in the spring selling season. I don't know if anybody realized, but the calendar says March 14th. This is the buying season. People want to buy and move in the summer. Yeah, it's here. Oh, dude, I am nervous for first-time home buyers if rates go sub 6. As an asset owner, there is the other side. You're going to be okay.
Bring it. Bring it. Yeah, we're fine.
Yeah, exactly. Oh my goodness, 942. Wow. Well, that is a crazy update. We're going to talk about what transpired over the weekend with a couple of bank crises. We're going to ask Omar what he thinks comes. But before we do, if you want to join an amazing team, you want to see what he's doing down in the high desert, Omar, how can people follow you?
Guys, go to my IG at investwithomar or omaralfaro.com.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.